Hello. Today I want to show you this new feature that Rose has. This is a bulk PDF importer. So let's say I have this folder here with a number of invoices, and some are regular PDFs, some of them are pictures of restaurant receipts, and we want to merge them all into a single spreadsheet table. Now I'm going to open rose.com, that's our cloud AI spreadsheet. I'm going to start importing file. I'm going to select the file that I want to import, all these 10 PDF invoices. There they are. I'm going to select the folder when I want to save them. I'm going to select the import mode. I want to merge them all into a single table, and I'm going to edit some instructions. I want the document name, invoice date, yada, 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 tax amount, and a description. And also important, I want only one line per invoice, right? Now I'm going to click import. The import is started. You will see this spinner alert here. It's going to take about 2-3 seconds per PDF, right? And so it's going to take between 20 and 30 seconds overall for all of the documents. And you can also use these to import and analyze investor reports and other documents and find information inside those documents and condense it into a single spreadsheet table. It should be completing about now. 20 seconds passed, sort of. It's going to go up to 30. There you go. So here's the file. I'm going to open the file. I'm going to close this AI panel table. And now I've got all of the receipts in here, right? And we can even confirm that this restaurant file, let me open it here. This restaurant file has 60.90 was the total spend, and the tax was $398. And so this is correct. Hope you guys like this new feature, bulk AI PDF imports.